Hey everyone, today we're diving into a topic that might raise a few eyebrows. Why you should lie. Now, I know what you're thinking, lying is often seen as a bad thing, right? But stick with me. In this video, we're going to explore the surprising benefits of lying and how, in certain situations, it can actually be good for you and those around you. Lying is a survival skill in the words of Salk Institute neuroscientist Terence Sajanowski. According to him, humans probably had it even before they acquired language. Even children, notwithstanding parental threats, learn how to tell a falsehood and get away with it. However much we dislike it, lying is a natural, even essential part of our lives. Humans dissimulate for the same reasons that animals use camouflage to save their own skin. German anthropologist Volker Sommer, author of Praise of Lying, believes that self-deception could save your life. He quotes a study carried out by psychologist Richard Lazarus of the University of California, Berkeley, to upload his claim. Lazarus found that people who were ill and who deluded themselves about the nature and extent of the illness were more likely to have fewer complications than their counterparts who spent time dwelling on their illness in a separate study carried out on 69 patients with breast cancer. It was found that 5 years after mastectomy, 75 of the women who had dissembled their illness and had denied to themselves its gravity were alive and healthy. Compared this to 35 of those who had resigned themselves to their fate and paid the penalty. It is probably an age-old theory. A strong belief that something is true is the first step to making it so. Psychologist Peter Stiegnitz of the University of Budapest, author of Lying, The Spice of Life, conducted a survey which shows that men lie approximately 20 more than women, but that women make better liars. The stigma, however, attached to a woman's falsehood is much greater as a legacy of generations of conditioning. The difference is not only a quantitative one but qualitative too. Women are more prepared to deceive in a social situation, as they are more attuned to the fact that the truth might cause hurt or friction, whereas a little fabrication would probably alleviate the problem and soothe the egos. While women might lie to protect their children or friends, men are more likely to lie to uphold their image, especially when it concerns their career. Katharina Lohman, author of Women Lie Differently, claims a man deceives for profit and egotism. He lies most cleverly and effectively at the levers of power. A lifetime of constant social interaction might be impossible without at least deception involved. You might even be more lied to than lying. Gerald Jellison of the University of South Carolina opines that people are lied to about 200 times a day. David Weiberg, professor of philosophy at the State University of New York, asserts, truth-telling is morally overrated. Being against all deception is as wrong-minded as loathing all bacteria, including the ones responsible for wine and cheese. Lying can help you in many ways, such as social harmony. Lying can help maintain social relationships by avoiding awkward situations or hurt feelings. For instance, telling a white lie to spare someone's feelings or to keep peace in a group can be seen as a socially advantageous tactic. Research indicates that people often appreciate these small deceptions, as they can strengthen social bonds rather than weaken them. Strategic advantage. In competitive environments, such as negotiations or job interviews, strategic lying can provide individuals with an advantage. Manipulating information can sometimes be necessary to achieve desired outcomes, and in these contexts, honesty may not always be the best policy. Psychological benefits. Lying can provide psychological relief. Individuals may lie to protect their self-image or to avoid the stress of confronting uncomfortable truths. In some cases, lying can serve as a coping mechanism that allows people to navigate difficult situations more easily. Studies suggest that those who are depressed may be more honest with themselves, while those who are mentally healthy might engage in more self-deception to maintain a positive outlook. See, I am not telling you to lie every time or you should not tell the truth. Morally, you should avoid lying, but we can't always tell the truth right. You need to lie sometime, and it's okay. Every human lies and it's a part of our life.